So we'll be playing the electric set soon too. You guys can also come to that, right? I'm sure.
Yeah.
Special passes and everything.
Alright.
Alright, we can do one more. This song's called Cough Syrup.
Woo! I love this song.
Blow the guitar.
Life's too short to even care. Whoa. I'm losing my mind, losing my mind, losing control. These fishes in the sea staring at me. Oh, 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 oh. When the world aches for a beat of a drum. Oh, oh, oh. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to calm down, calm down. Life's too short to even care about. I'm coming up now out of the blue. These zombies in the park, they're looking for my heart. The charcoal aches for a splash of sun. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. So I run out to the things they say could restore me, restore the life the way it should be. I'm waiting for this call to come down. Life's too short to even care at all. And losing my mind, losing control. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. And so I ran out to the things they say could restore me, restore life the way it should be. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to calm down. One more spoon of cough syrup now. One more spoon of cough syrup now. Thank you.
That was so awesome.
Can you mute the guitars and bass, please?